अनन्या और राइसा?
भाई ये गड़बड़ हो गई। वड़ा पाव आया है। अगर आपको स्टार बनना है ना तो पहले आप वड़ा पाव खाओ, तभी जाके आप स्टार बनेंगे, स्पेशली बॉलीवुड में। यू नो, स्मोकिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग विल किल यू इन लाइफ, बट इट विल टेक 5-10 years टू किल यू। आप बैड खाना खाएंगे ना, आप 1 साल में मर जाएंगे। आई एम अ फिश and if I don't get a swimming pool, I'm like a fish out of water. I love swimming. Don't overestimate, don't underestimate. Treat everyone equal and nice. Awaz, how old are you?
17. And yourself?
13. I'm joking.
Welcome to Nawaz Talkies, a show that projects the brighter side of life and helps you steer clear of the dark sides of lifestyle. Just like we unwind in a cinema hall and let the projection on the big screen take over, out here as well, I let my celebrity guests unleash their points of view unfiltered. I know you all are waiting our celebrity guests for the day, and as always, I take great pride and pleasure in welcoming today's celebrity guest, who is none other than Chunky Pandey. All right, Chunky, so let's start at the beginning and end at the end.
Okay, that's first time I've heard something like this. But
place to
Nawaz, you're talking about the beginning. Looking at you out here, I've traveled back those 35 years ago when I first met you. And I have to confess this in front of the camera, I had the biggest crush on Nawaz.
Chunky is chunky, he crushes on every woman, don't take it too seriously.
She's not joking.
No, he's a joking. Mamma mia.
Yes.
Okay, so well-known actor, Bollywood actor, Chunky Pandey, obviously needs no introduction anywhere. लेकिन आज हम हैं यहाँ बात करने के लिए about the things that people don't really know about you, rather than the things that are out there in the public domain. Firstly, did you know that Chunky's name is not Chunky? It is actually Suyash.
She pronounced it right, thank God.
I looked up the pronunciation as well.
Suyash, जिसका मतलब होता है good success. Yash मने success, Su मने good. And Pandey, but this name is only used by my school friends. तो अगर मैं कभी किधर घूम रहा हूँ और कोई सुयश बोलता है, I don't even turn and look around, which is very sad.
You know it's your school friend, and you want to leave them behind.
No,
is that it?
I owe them money.
Oh, okay.
थोड़ा dangerous मामला है उधर.
Okay.
I'll come to that. मैंने एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की थी स्कूल में.
अच्छा.
जहाँ मैंने सब स्कूल के बच्चों से पैसे लिए थे.
अरे बाप रे.
अच्छा, एक्टर मैं बन गया, वो लोग सब रह गए स्कूल में.
मैंने उनसे
पैसे लिए थे उनसे सबसे एक्टर बनने के लिए, लेकिन मैं बन गया एक्टर. तो अभी तक मुझे ढूंढते यार, वो पैसे निकाल के दे दो.
It's a lesser known fact that Chunky had a huge interest in the constellations.
Yes, stargazing, no?
Stargazing, and he used to drag his parents to the planetarium and stargaze in the night. It was a favorite pastime for him. Chunky, आपने ये भी बोला है कि मुझे लगता है हम ये दुनिया के नहीं हैं.
Yeah, you're right. I'm out of this world, and I think I should have stayed there only.
But
नहीं, मुझे बनना था astronaut.
Okay.
जब man landed on the moon in 1969, I took a pen and a paintbrush and a pencil, and on the whole drawing room wall, I drew the man on the moon. My parents were so angry with me.
So you're an artist as well?
Wannabe artist.
Okay.
And I remember Mummy Papa ghar aaye and they saw the whole wall painted and they beat the shit out of me.
Oh,
I mean, in those days it was normal to slap children.
Right.
But of course, so I was very excited. मुझे astronaut बनना था. फिर थोड़े मेरे ambitions कम हो गए and then I wanted to become a pilot. तो नवाज, ये बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, I actually went and enrolled in flying school. और मैंने 8 घंटे की flying भी की है.
Okay.
तो मुझे बहुत कीड़ा था कि मैं पायलट बन जाऊं. Then my mother found out and she was very scared of flying. तो flying school में आई and she actually caught me by my ears and pulled me out of the school. She said, "You're not becoming a..." I was just out of college. Yeah, I was just
21, 22.
Yeah, very young.
Wow.
But anyway, those are ambitions I can still pursue.
But आप मॉडलिंग में भी उस वक्त पे दाखला किया था आपने मॉडलिंग में?
वैसे मैं मॉडलिंग मैंने डिफ़ॉल्ट में किया. मैं बनना चाह रहा था एक्टर. एंड हाउ आई वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर बिकॉज मैं एक बार किशोर कुमार जी के शो पर गया था टू अमेरिका. मुझे एक फ्री टिकट मिला था बिकॉज आई न्यू दी ऑर्गेनाइज़र. और उसने कहा तुझे लेके जाता हूँ अमेरिका, घुमाता हूँ, तुझे सिर्फ किशोर कुमार जी के बैग्स उठाने और उनको. सो आई वॉज बेसिकली लाइक अ स्पॉट बॉय टू किशोर दा. आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज ऑलवेज बीन अ किशोर कुमार फैन. तो जब मैं चला गया अमेरिका के टूर पर, मैंने देखा कि यार एक्टरों की लाइफ कितनी अच्छी होती है. लोग उनको प्यार करते हैं, दे लव देम, उनको फ्री का खाना मिलता है, फ्री की शॉपिंग हो जाती है, पैसा भी इतना कमाते हैं. तो सोचा यार ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोफेशन है, मैं भी बन जाता हूँ. एंड आई केम बैक, आई टोल्ड माई पेरेंट्स. मैं सोचा वो डर जाएंगे, बट माई फादर वॉज very cool about it. I'm a son of 2 doctors.
I know.
And there was
both
lot
of them are medicos.
Medicos. बहुत प्रेशर था मेरे ऊपर डॉक्टर बनने का. इनफैक्ट मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई की, मुझे स्पेशल डिग्री मिली है MBBF. मैट्रिक में बार फेल. बट यू नो आई एम PhD. पास्ट हाई स्कूल विद डिफिकल्टी. तो वैसे मैं थोड़ा कमज़ोर था पढ़ाइयों में, बट आई वॉज अ स्मार्ट किड. तो माई पेरेंट्स सेड ओके, बट माई डैड सेड यार एक्टर बनना है, तुझे कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं एक्टिंग का, एटलीस्ट लर्न इट. सो ऐसे हाँ वो तो सीखना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने फिर 3 साल एक्टिंग, हॉर्स राइडिंग, एक्शन, फाइटिंग, डांसिंग ये सब सीख लिया. लेकिन आई वॉज ऑलवेज यूज टू मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ मनी. कॉलेज में भी मैं छोटे मोटे बिजनेसेस करता था, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू सेल मार्बल, यूज्ड कार्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. तो ये जब मैं ये स्ट्रगल कर रहा था और एक्टिंग सब सीख रहा था, मैं थोड़ा मायूस हो गया बिकॉज पैसे नहीं कमा रहा था. तो साइड बिजनेस के तौर पे आई स्टार्टेड मॉडलिंग. और मुझे अच्छे कुछ असाइनमेंट्स मिले. इनफैक्ट आई गॉट डबल बुल शर्ट्स. मुझे विमल का भी एक ऐड मिला था. सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड देन फाइनली 3.5-4 साल के बाद मुझे मेरी पहली पिक्चर मिली.
This is in the 80s you must have been modeling.
हाँ जी, in the early 80s.
Right.
But modeling was very different then. It was I mean, you don't have to be that fit, or you know, आजकल आप देखो models are all 8 packs and stuff.
No. That at that point in time, in the kingdom of the blind, the one-eyed was the king.
Absolutely. In fact, I've always had this small little paunch, because first it was my chest, then it slipped and became my stomach. No, but I've always, because I'm a big rice eater, and I always have this cute little belly, and I've always had it. It's my lucky charm. I keep rubbing it when I want some.
As long as it's working, yeah, it's a Buddha up there.
Buddha.
Yeah.
But yes, so tab, you know, we didn't have all that kind of fitness regimes for people. There were fit guys, but not everyone was fit. Aajkal dekho, all models have 8 packs and 16 packs and
even
stuff.
Regular people have it.
But there were, what was fun was there was a certain rawness. We were all very untrained. We had never been in front of cameras, and हमने हर picture से सीखा. You know, when we went in front of the camera, we learned. There was nothing like going on a diet or something. I mean, we used to this is after I became an actor. We used to shoot 3 shifts a day, eat our dinner at 1 o'clock and get up at 7 o'clock and go and shoot again. So these was ouch, yeah. Now this was how unhealthy we were, but we still looked great because we were young, I guess, and we could just
get away,
keep working. But slowly down the line, I realized that fitness is very important. And मैंने फिर bull walker शुरू किया. I tried to make my muscles and everything.
And you realize that you can't get away when you're older with what you could have gotten away when you were much younger.
I think the most damage we keep doing to ourselves is thinking we are still young and trying to do what
the same
जो दूसरे youngsters कर रहे हैं.
Right.
So I think a lot of injuries happen because of that.
Yes. Because we are always the same age in our own head, right? That doesn't change.
Avaz, how old are you?
17. And yourself?
13. Lucky for some.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
You are very conjoined with fitness. You're an avid swimmer. You just told me you've come from a swim.
From a swim. I'm addicted to swimming. But मैं बताता हूँ fitness आई कैसे फिर finally. तो I think the founders of fitness were people like Sunil Shetty, Akshay Kumar. ये जब 90s में आए, they were such fit guys. Salman, you know, doing his body. Sanjay Dutt got into, you know, bodybuilding and stuff. तो हम सब एकदम अलर्ट हो गए, यार कुछ करना पड़ेगा. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ फूडी, लेकिन मेरा एक मंत्रा है खाने में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू रिमाइंड मी दैट आई शुड हैव लंच. आई डोंट रिमेंबर टू ईट. सो इफ आई सी फूड आई ईट इट. इफ इट्स नॉट अराउंड आई वोंट आस्क फॉर इट. और व्हेन यू सिट टू ईट, यू शुड ईट exactly that much that after you finish eating, अगर कोई बोले आप फिर से खाओ, you can eat the same amount. You understood? So you have to keep yourself half empty. बोलते हैं ना पेट भर के खाओ, या हम बच्चों को डांटते थे, मेरे पेरेंट्स डांटते थे खाना प्लेट पे छोड़ना नहीं, बिकॉज लोग इतना सर्व करते थे एज किड्स टू यू कि आप खाओ खाओ, बट यू कांट ईट इट बिकॉज योर स्टमक इज योर स्टमक. So this policy I've always kept. I eat very limited food so that if someone asks me, I can eat it again, the same amount. And I feel food should be only eat when you're hungry. Just don't eat because it's lunchtime or breakfast time or because I know it's very difficult to resist. अब मैं जब आपके स्टूडियो में आया तो इतनी अच्छी चिकन करी बन रही थी, my mouth started watering. और फिर आपकी असिस्टेंट मुझे फोर्स कर रही थी कुछ खा लो, अभी खा लो, ये खा लो, वो खा लो, और मेरा दिल कह रहा था मैं जाके खाऊंगा, स्मेलिंग सो गुड, बट देन आई से नो दैट्स रॉन्ग. तो यू हैव टू लर्न टू एब्सटेन फ्रॉम फूड बिकॉज यू नो स्मोकिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग विल किल यू इन लाइफ, बट इट विल टेक 5-10 years टू किल यू. आप बैड खाना खाएंगे ना, आप 1 साल में मर जाएंगे, बिकॉज फूड अल्टीमेटली इज ऑल्सो पॉइजन फॉर यू. आप जितना वो तेल खाएंगे, एंड यू सीन पीपल गोइंग जस्ट क्रेजी ईटिंग बैड फूड एंड not looking good and just dropping dead sometimes. So food is, you need it to live, but you have to be careful.
That's a lot of willpower and a lot of restraint.
And you also know my mother, thi MBBS, but she actually started obesity in India.
I believe she
was
had
the first
an obesity clinic.
Yes, she started it as early as the late 70s.
That's fabulous.
And she had a lot of Bollywood people like Rekha and a lot of people who came to her. So Mama was very conscious. So, you know, I think it's my mother also who put this into my mind. So food I've been careful about. And as to my exercise mantra, I'm a fish. And if I don't get a swimming pool, I'm like a fish out of water. I love swimming. Swimming मैं क्यों पसंद करता हूँ? Because जब आप swimming कर रहे हो, ना ही आपके पास मोबाइल है, ना ही आपको कोई भाषण दे रहा है, ना ही आपसे कोई झगड़ा कर रहा है, ना you gossiping. It's like a meditation, you know.
Yeah.
You're in that water and you're just
on your own.
You're going on that line and you're coming back, and you're going on that line and you're coming back.
You're with your thoughts.
So for me, it's a great fitness and calmness therapy. I love swimming.
So it's very mental and emotional and psychologically, obviously then for you as well.
Everything,
from what you're saying. Yeah, that's lovely. And besides swimming, आप cycling भी बहुत करते हो.
Cycling जब मैं, मेरे घर में साइकिल है नहीं, वहाँ बचपन में हम लोग साइकिल हायर करके जाते थे, लेकिन जब भी मैं जाता हूँ कोई रिजॉर्ट में या किधर जहाँ मुझे साइकिलिंग का मौका मिलता है, आई डोंट लेट इट गो. आई जस्ट लव साइकिलिंग, बट वो मशीन पे नहीं. आई लाइक रियल साइकिलिंग ऑन द रोड.
Actually out there in the open, yeah. आप you go for walks, you strength train, you
स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेन नहीं करता हूँ, ये मुझे शुरू करना है. वॉक्स आई लव. मैं घर में ही इतना वॉक कर लेता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम रेस्टलेस. आई एम, बोलते हैं ना, रेस्टलेस सोल. और मैं अपने बीवी का रिमोट कंट्रोल हूँ. हाँ, कसम से.
कुछ भी उनको चाहिए तो आपको करना पड़ता है.
आई लाइक टू डू माई ओन वर्क बिकॉज वो घर में इतने स्टेप्स हो जाते हैं दैट आई डोंट नीड टू वॉक आउटसाइड. और जब भी मैं फॉरेन जाता हूँ वेकेशंस में, तो पूरे दिन मैं खाली पैदल चलता हूँ. मैं ना ही उबर लेता हूँ, ना ही टैक्सी लेता हूँ. जस्ट वॉकिंग. मैं दुकान देखता हूँ, मॉल्स में घुस जाता हूँ, तो उनके 4-5 चक्कर लगाता हूँ. यू नो, इट्स वेरी एंटरटेनिंग. सो आई एम एक्चुअली ऑन हॉलीडेज आई एम डूइंग एटलीस्ट 25,000-30,000 स्टेप्स.
That's a lot.
और घर में, खाली मेरे घर में मैं 10,000 स्टेप कर लेता हूँ. जस्ट रनिंग अराउंड. माई वाइफ गेट्स इरिटेटेड because मैं जैसे उठता हूँ, I'm like running around and wanting to talk and do things, and she's a more calm person in the morning.
Yeah. Wow. Aside from that, you also partake in functional fitness to be able to function in your body at optimum level. For example, can you do things like reach every part of your back? Can you do things like get into a seriously low sports car in and out in a flash without stumbling all over the place? Can you sit down on the floor to do a puja in one split second without needing support and get up just as fast?
वो सब कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, वही मैं बोल रही हूँ.
उसके लिए मैंने ट्रेनिंग नहीं की.
नहीं, but you still do it.
I can still do it.
हाँ, तो नाम की बात छोड़ो. Whether you know it or you don't, what's in a name? Whether you know it or you don't know it, you are still doing it and you are living it.
I'm trying to. Yes, thank you. I think it's all the swimming, because swimming आपको, I think, काफी रबरी बना देता है.
Yes.
Flexible.
डांस तो है ही.
Dance,
you use that a little bit.
मैं कर लेता हूँ डांस.
Yeah, and you work on stretching, so it's really a very overall comprehensive workout routine that you have going for you. That's
But
fabulous.
as I said, I don't plan all this. It just happens in my daily routine. Something or the other comes up. Yeah.
We don't plan to breathe every day, but it just happens.
We breathe.
Yeah,
So true.
It's wonderful when it's that natural and you make
True.
it that much a part of your life.
Yeah,
Even better, because then it becomes almost unconscious. I'm just doing it. I know I have to do it.
True.
Yeah.
पर बोलते ना वो घर में अगर आप काम करो, you actually doing your whole body, whether you're sweeping or cleaning or whatever. I think that's the
Yeah,
best
our house
functional
help are
training.
relatively fit, no? For a
Very
reason.
fit, very
yeah,
fit.
they're not going out there to get into a gym or a Pilates studio, but they look the way they are, so it's fabulous. So on nutrition, you've already said that it's balanced eating. You don't overeat. You don't ask for the food. If it's there, you'll remember. If it's not there, you won't. You also eat clean. You also eat whole foods. You eat clean.
Yeah, I try to.
You hydrate. You do
I
the
hydrate
right
a lot.
things.
Yeah, I drink a lot of coffee, but I also hydrate myself. Make sure that I drink at least 3 liters of water a day.
That's a lot. Most of us are struggling with 2.
No, I manage. I'm thirsty all the time, so I need to keep putting water.
Orange juice will
Or-
help right now.
Orange. I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is my mantra. I have my limbu panis. I have a vitamin C that fizz one, and then I also have
Effervescent, yeah.
effervescent. Then I also have a chewy. So yeah, I kind of put in over 2,000 grams of or micrograms or whatever of vitamin C a day. Yeah, I think that really keeps me going.
Yeah,
If I don't have any vitamin C consumption, I'm jacked.
That's great. And it's a water-soluble vitamin, not a
Yep.
fat-soluble, which means that whatever excess is there, the body just flushes out.
Throws
which
it
is
out.
good.
Yep.
Yeah. Tell me, what is your aging formula?
Anti-aging.
No. Aging formula. I'm just joking. Of course, I meant anti-aging.
Oh God, you just say that I'm joking. So well you said it. Yeah. I'm joking. Very good, yeah. हाँ, so I'll tell you. तो मैं थोड़ा लकी हूँ इस मामले में. मेरी जो पैदाइश हुई है, my birthday is 26 September. उस दिन पर देवानंद जी पैदा हुए.
Ah.
So it's something to do with that date. You know, he was always evergreen.
Right.
He always looked very young. He
My
was
gosh.
so active.
And had such a long career.
Such a long career, and I want to be like him.
Right.
So, you know, the very
Somewhere
very
you
fact,
pick on that energy.
I picked up that energy from him. I want to be Devanand. Yeah.
Great energy.
Yeah, so that's my mantra of being young. And of course, I married a girl who's मेरे से 12 साल छोटी है, भावना. तो automatically हो जाता है ना, when you hang around with young people, आप खुद young दिखने लगते हैं.
Huh?
It's good to have a young wife.
Because then they see you as being young, or because then they see that, okay, she's young, but he's much older? Which way is
I
this
mean, that's
going?
if you don't keep yourself, then yeah, if
right.
But if you try to compete and try to keep yourself to that age, so the idea is you'll always be fit, running behind her, and you'll want to stay young.
So, Chunky, what are your comfort foods? What is your go-to?
अगर मैं जंक फूड कहूँगा तो you'll get scared, but no, I'm not very fond of junk food. The occasional burger, वड़ा पाव, आया है. अगर आपको स्टार बनना है ना, तो पहले आप वड़ा पाव खाओ, तभी जाके आप स्टार बनेंगे, स्पेशली बॉलीवुड में. बट माई कंफर्ट फूड इज जस्ट दाल चावल सब्जी यार. आई लव इट. It's my total go-to food if nothing else is available.
That's nice.
That's the food I eat at least in 7 days. 4 days I'm eating that.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, non-stop.
That's nice.
Lunch, dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our childhood never moves far away from us.
One doesn't move far.
No, and shouldn't.
And I love rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Frankly,
That's
who
why my
doesn't?
younger daughter is called Raisa.
No, I'm
Rice
sure there
ke
must
saath.
be a more profound reason as well. But yeah. So I believe you've played a few Parsi roles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
एक character किया था मैंने in Vijay 69.
Okay.
Because I love Parsi food. I love Parsi girls.
So what
They're so
Parsi-
beautiful.
Okay, good. Main Jaisia, Zindabad.
Nawaz Bodi.
Yeah. So what, in terms of Parsi food, would be your favorite dish?
Oh my God, Patre na machi.
Yeah.
I know dhansak is a food that's normally served at funerals.
It
I mean,
is,
yeah,
but we
I
celebrate it anyway.
We all celebrate it. I love dhansak.
Yeah.
And I love the berry pulao.
Yeah.
You're getting me hungry now, yaar.
And the chicken farcha.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm getting so excited.
So what is your daily diet typically like?
So I get up in the morning, तो मैं ये जो dates होते हैं ना, उसको ओवरनाइट रखता हूँ और उसका पानी पीता हूँ मैं. हाँ, फिर कोकोनट वाटर पीता हूँ और 6 बादाम खाता हूँ which are soaked overnight. थोड़ा हल्दी खाता हूँ and फ्लैक्स सीड्स को भी मैं भिगो के रखता हूँ.
Protein, anti-inflammatory.
हाँ.
Yeah.
और थोड़े फ्लैक्स सीड्स भी रखता हूँ, उसको भी खा लेता हूँ. और नाश्ते में सिर्फ पॉरेज लेता हूँ. फिर स्विम के बाद मैं सैलेड खाता हूँ. एंड शाम के वक्त या बीच में जहाँ भी मैं एक दबा के फिर दाल चावल सब्जी खा लेता हूँ.
So something between lunch and dinner?
हाँ, and then I don't eat the rest after that.
Oh.
And may add an egg or something with that.
That's
Just
a very
for
small
like a snack.
appetite on a level.
Yeah, but I'm fine with
happy.
that. I'm happy, yeah.
Okay. That's good. That's good, yeah. And it requires a lot of discipline to manage that. And what happens, कहीं ना कहीं तो आप अलग-अलग लोकेशन पे जाते हो, अलग-अलग जगह पे शूट होती है. Everything's not always in your control.
Correct.
You end up in some God-forsaken, outlandish places sometimes. खाना नहीं मिलता है, जो what you want to eat, what is correct for you, you don't get the kind of workout you want. Gym हो ना हो,
Swimming pool ना हो.
timings वो भी हो ना हो. It depends on whether you're at a proper hotel or you're out camping in some tent somewhere.
तो
All these
you know,
things happen, right? And how do you manage yourself?
So I'll tell you what. अगर स्विमिंग पूल पहले तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ भाई स्विमिंग पूल होना चाहिए होटल में. नहीं हुआ तो भी ऑल राइट बिकॉज कभी-कभी यू आर एट सच लोकेशंस वेयर दे आर नॉट.
Right.
देन आई ऑलवेज टेक अ फ्लोर व्हिच इज वेरी हाई और मैं लिफ्ट कभी यूज नहीं करता हूँ.
Ah.
आई एम आस्क हर व्हेन आई केम आई एम वेरी स्केर्ड ऑफ लिफ्ट्स. मैं क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक हूँ तो 9-10 माले में वैसे ही चढ़ के चला जाता हूँ.
Wow.
तो वो एक किस्म का एक्सरसाइज हो जाता है अप एंड डाउन. एंड देन फूड वाइज तो नॉर्मली मैं किचन में जाके शेफ को बोलता हूँ भाई तू जो भी बनाएगा थोड़ा कम तेल डालना मेरे खाने में. टेस्टी बना लेकिन कम तेल डाल. तो उसको बार बार वो रिमाइंड करते रहता हूँ. एंड आई थिंक दे नॉर्मली मैनेज एंड दैट्स हाउ ईट. बट कभी कभी चीट मील होना चाहिए बिकॉज यू कांट बी ईटिंग ऑल दैट.
No.
बॉडी बोर हो जाएगी.
Body bore हो
Body
जाएगी.
बीमार हो
and-
जाएगी.
And you need to, I think you need to fall to all levels of low sometimes to appreciate the high.
Correct.
And appreciate what you never want to be or never want to have, to give you the motivation that no, the only way now is up.
इज अप करेक्ट.
Yeah.
तो होता है कभी कभी आउटडोर जाता हूँ और पता चले मेरा 3-4 किलो बढ़ गया. क्यों बढ़ गया भाई? बिकॉज एक्सरसाइज कम हो गई, स्विमिंग कम हो गई. आई
खाना ज्यादा हो गया इधर उधर.
खाना इधर उधर थोड़ा
या
लेट
अनहेल्दी
नाइट्स
हो
हो
गया
गए.
लोकेशन पे.
एंड आई स्विम ऑलमोस्ट अ किलोमीटर अ डे. दैट इज सीरियस स्विमिंग.
Right.
तो अगर वो नहीं हो तो
What do you swim? Breaststroke?
नो
Crawl?
नो जस्ट क्रॉल फ्री
Just
स्टाइल.
crawl?
हाँ ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक इज वेरी सिंपल यार.
And without stopping?
या
Continuous.
सो नो आई डू अ हाफ किलोमीटर, stop for 1 minute and then finish the other.
How long does it take you to do half kilometer?
I do it, my half kilometer is 20, which I finish in about 14. Then I rest for 2-3 minutes and then I do the second one in 15 minutes.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's hard.
Yeah, fun it is, but I really enjoy it. Yeah. Then I do a lot of breathing, like I do underwater after that. I swim underwater, I hold my breath because क्या होता है when you do the same strokes and you're swimming, your body gets used to it. जैसे कि आप same exercise रोज करो तो आपकी body को आदत हो जाती है.
Plateau.
So I change the breathing pattern and after I finish my 1 kilometer, फिर मैं 8-10 ऐसे करता हूँ जहाँ मैं 20 stroke के बाद breath लूँगा, 10 stroke के बाद
Wow.
breath लूँगा, just to
Right.
get the breath in order.
Right, so you're getting your yoga underwater as well.
Trying to.
Good job.
I'm lucky I'm getting a swimming pool to swim. That's important, yeah.
Yeah, but you're making that a precedent most times, and I'm sure you must be getting it.
Yes.
So, what is your favorite health or wellness trend which you're currently obsessed with or involved with?
My latest trend?
Yeah.
I think the intermittent fasting.
Works for you?
Yeah. It gives deadly results, yeah.
Wow. Good to hear that intermittent is working for you because
Yeah.
it doesn't work on a regular long. It's a good
Long-term.
quick fix here and now.
Yeah, but quick fix. You can't do
Yeah,
it all your
no,
life. You
no.
have to do it, get to that weight
Just
and
to help you, just
to-
to crutch to get you to where you
Out
want
there,
to. Yeah. What do you find is the most challenging part of staying fit, staying healthy as you age, especially in the industry? It gets harder. It's more challenging.
yeah, because your metabolism has become zero,
Yes,
literally.
yes.
And all this young blood is
Skin
coming.
is different, hair is different, everything is different.
Everything is different. Hair is falling, skin is crumbling. Don't scare me. But these things happen, and then you see the fresh
has
blood
to-
coming in,
Yes.
and they are looking like so young and lovely.
So
and you're
that's
saying,
what I said earlier. I think we were off camera that it's wonderful when our children grow up and become young adults and are so accomplished, but at the same time we are getting old.
Yes.
What the?
But I
Nobody
think
signed up for that.
I think the best thing about growing old is you need to do it gracefully. Do not. I'm a very strong believer, and thank God I don't need it. But I don't believe in, face enhancers or getting surgeries done. And I always thank God I don't need to, and even if I thought there's something defective in my face, I just wanted to remain and age with it and make people like it. I feel the
Change yourself and
no, I think it is the X factor that makes people like you.
right.
So perfection is never attractive. So the X factor is what works, and I
Yeah.
feel just do it gracefully and
Be yourself. Have
be
your own
yourself.
USP.
Yeah. Have a great personality, and
Yeah.
I believe in that. So that is what has never really worried me. I'm 62 today, but I'm in total denial.
बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में अगर आप एक लेसन किसी न्यू कमर को देना चाहेंगे
हाँ
तो
जी।
वो क्या सलाह होगी?
मैंने अनन्या को दिया था ये कि डोंट ओवर एस्टिमेट एनीवन एंड डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट एनीवन. ओवर एस्टिमेट का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर इसके साथ एक डायरेक्टर ने एक एक्टर के साथ हिट फिल्म बनाई है, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि वो आपके साथ भी हिट फिल्म बनाएगा. और अगर एक डायरेक्टर ने किसी के साथ फ्लॉप फिल्म बनाई है, दैट डजंट मीन आपके साथ भी फ्लॉप बनाएगा. ही मे मेक अ हिट विद यू. तो जज पीपल विद योर ओन जजमेंट. पास्ट रिकॉर्ड से मत करो.
So if you want to get one message out there to the audience, वो मैसेज क्या होगा?
भाई मेरी पिक्चर देखो, मेरी बेटी की पिक्चरें देखो. और जस्ट कीप लविंग अस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमें प्यार चाहिए आपका ऑलवेज. ट्रू, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब तक आपको ऑडियंस अपनाती नहीं, अपना नहीं समझती है, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव.
करेक्ट. अपने फ्री टाइम में आप व्हाट डू यू एंजॉय? व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज?
मुझे पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है. I like to read about science, new technology. I like to read about the universe, how life started. ये सब चीज़ें मुझे
planets,
बहुत, the planets, हाँ, the stars. मुझे ये सब चीज़ों में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. तो मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ, अलग अलग चीज़ें पढ़ते रहता हूँ. I'm an avid reader and of course a movie watcher. मुझे फिल्म्स बहुत पसंद है.
Superb. Okay, Chunky, a quick rapid fire round.
I hate rapid fires.
There's nothing to it.
But is there a hamper?
You'll have to find out. You'll have to wait and see. Why do you want to go if there isn't?
मैं बोलूँ ना नवाज, अगर मैं रेस में अकेला भी भागता तो भी मैं लास्ट आता.
अच्छा.
पर तू हैम्पर देगी ना मुझे, फिर मैं करता हूँ रैपिड फायर.
देखा जाएगा.
देखा जाएगा. अच्छा.
Okay, so hard work or good luck?
Good luck. Hard work never killed anyone, but I'm too afraid to try it.
Okay, good answer. Cutting chai and vada pav or
हाँ.
pink champagne and strawberries?
कटिंग चाय एंड वड़ा पाव. अगर आपको स्टार बनना है तो वड़ा पाव खाओ और कटिंग चाय पियो.
Okay.
सुपरस्टार बन जाएंगे आप.
Ananya or Raisa?
भाई ये गड़बड़ हो गई.
एक जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
रायन.
Not on Rai.
Not Android. But can't. ये तो impossible है. हाँ. It's like which hand you like, right or left. It's both are the same. हाँ.
Bhavna or your daughters?
यार ये आपने बहुत धर्म संकट में डाल दिया. I think Bhavna, because she came before the daughters.
And she made them.
She made
It's
them.
okay. Your daughters will understand.
Yeah.
Super. Okay, so that's about it for today. Chunky, thank you very, very much. Lovely having you in. Lovely having this chat. Lovely knowing more. I have a lot more movies now to watch.
Yes, yes.
Learned a lot from you.
You did?
Learned a lot about your philosophies and a lot about how to live. And yes, absolutely. And I'm sure your viewers, our viewers will as well.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. And I do have something for you.
Oh, what is it?
Not a hamper.